Hi everyone and welcome back to Steam Biz Detailing. We can all appreciate washing our vehicles in cold winter weather. It snowed this week in Toronto and temperatures today are minus 15 Celsius or 5 Fahrenheit. It's not easy or fun to do this, but it's necessary. In our case, we have to detail the interior of our own work truck just to maintain it clean and organized. Today we are going to detail the interior of our truck. It's a black 2014 Ford Transit and we use it for our mobile detailing business. Let's go and make the cabin of our vehicle look new again. But before that, if you are new to this channel, make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss out on our future videos. Anyways, we are gonna go ahead and roll these before shots and get right into the steamy, hot, freezing detailing. The first thing that should be done is sort out the mess, bag everything and separate the good stuff from the things we will throw away. We have been carrying loads of things in the truck as we were so busy with clients. We are finally getting around to clean our truck. It's important we take our time to do this because some of the things we find are still useful. They are our tools or pieces of a project we are working on. After removing everything, all is clear and out of the way. Finally, we have access to our car's interior. Now we are able to see how dirty our vehicle looks and how much work should be done. There are some stains on the driver's seat. The degreasing a soapy solution will help remove them. We first use the drill to agitate the dirt and then we use the bissell extractor. Due to extreme cold weather conditions, we tried not to use a lot of steam or spraying solutions. All wet, moist surfaces are thoroughly dried with microfiber towels. Overall, this job went well. We successfully managed to finish it in 50 minutes, just under 1 hour, and not freeze our butts. Our goal was to make a brief yet complete detail of the cabin of our truck. It was very cold, but we had extra layers of cloth on, including jackets, hoodies, boots, and gloves. We also minimized the usage of steam and sprayers to avoid seeing layers of ice on the dashboard and door panels. And the engine of our truck was always on to keep us warm. We hope you enjoyed this video and it helps you clean and organize your car in the winter season. Thank you all for watching.